Hello ladies and gentlemen, RPChess here. Just another quick study. So in this position, white is trying to win, and bad news for them is that king and knight are pretty close to this pawn, and this king is too far away to protect. But the good news is that on the A file and H file, when we have a passed pawn, for the knight it's very hard to stop it. But actually the position, if you just don't know it, it looks like a draw, but it's not. So you have to be very creative sometimes, to see these patterns, and there is only one move which actually wins the game for white. So it's the move knight to b7, forking the king and knight. So obvious move is takes, but we'll look at it later. If we play with the king, trying to capture this pawn, it appears that we cannot win. Because for instance, this I would play this, and we start approaching with the king, and if king stays there, it's just within a couple of moves we approach with the king and pass this pawn with the knight, and it's pretty easy actually. But if king takes, then the pawn passes, and white wins. So we have to take with the knight. And now a6 is okay, it's the only move basically, attacking the knight, and they're really not enough like c0 to stop the pawn, but you can jump with the knight. If you play here, then again pawn has passed. If you play this way, again you cannot stop it. So you move the king here, and a7, you don't want to capture because it's a draw, and with this move it's winning, because now this pawn protects the b8, and with queening it's very easy win. You just need to approach with the king, and actually no forks are available. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you next time.